my loved ones? How are you? It's your girl CC. I'm just me coming at you with another mug banger. Y'all, today we have Chipotle. Y'all know one of my favorite Chipotle. Yes, we got a Chipotle bowl with chicken, rice, corn, sour cream, um, fajita peppers, salsa, and then we got a quesadilla, y'all. I'm trying a quesadilla out. I'm trying that quesadilla out. Look at that. I'm trying that quesadilla. That quesadilla look good, don't it? That quesadilla look good. And we got a little rice on the side for the quesadilla, a little sour cream. Yes. Mm. Mm-hmm. Sometimes Chipotle chips be a little salty and be a little lacking with the crunch. Mm. But they got it right here. They got it this time. It's my first time tasting the quesadilla from Chipotle. Let me taste it without now, huh? Mmm. Definitely more flavorful and spicy. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. 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 I got this little rice on with that. Mmm. How y'all doing now? Mmm. Mmm. Look at I'm hungry. I know. Mmm. 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 I also got some salsa over here. Got my water. Mmm. 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 I put some of that on there. A little of that. A little bit of that. Pico, queso, like that. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, that's slamming. Y'all know summertime starting, springtime here. Everybody gonna get Chipotle. Mm. 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 Put some of this on there, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. After that, I don't know what be strong with my light. I didn't know that chicken was that spicy until you get it by itself. Until y'all get it by itself on a quesadilla. That chicken is really spicy. Look at that. Now that was good. It's the light for me, it ain't working. That is good. Oh, which one been up to? Y'all think I'm gonna eat all this? I'm gonna keep these open. I wanna put some little bit of rice on it. Put a little bit of salsa on it. Y'all can't see it. I've been trying to get y'all the lighting, but the lighting been messed up. The kids eating Chipotle too. In case y'all wanted to know. Y'all don't see them. I'm so glad I didn't get in the quesadilla. It's real spicy. It's like you have to add something to it. Now the tomato, that's what does it for me. I should order 2 of this. Another thing. Okay. Find my phone. To stop my phone. Find my phone to stop my phone. I don't know how that is. I got all that stuff. Y'all, that's y'all DM me for some topics that y'all want to talk about. Or leave your comments down below. Leave your question, your comments down below. Nothing over here. It's lit. It's fire. That was juicy. Would I order that quesadilla again? I would order that quesadilla again. It is so, it's good. It's good. It got a lot of chicken in there. It's spicy. You get the tortilla, the fresh flour tortilla. Put that up now. Alright, get some of this. That chicken fell out. That chicken fell out. That was lit. The question was I gonna eat it all? No, I'm not gonna eat this one. I'm trying to get full already. This rice, you see that rice, y'all? I'm gonna put a little bit of this cheese sauce in here. I'm spilling it. I'll put a little bit of that sour cream in it too. Oh, it'll look like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in it. Go in there like that. The lime they put in this, the little juice of the lime. That is so awesome. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. And hit that notification bell. Ding! So you can be aware what your girl's doing next. And don't forget to share me out. Share your girl out. And don't forget to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a mom, to tell a papa, to tell a sister and brother. To like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. We on that road to 10K. 10K. Y'all don't be disappointed at me because I'm full. I am. I say I'm full while I'm digging in the bowl and getting more. This will be for my lunch tomorrow. So the people that don't know how to like save Chipotle because they got like sour cream on it. I don't put it in the refrigerator. I don't put it in the fridge. I don't put it in the fridge. I just leave it out. I leave it out. All the goodness out. Put it in the microwave. And that's how I say mine. And it'll be so good. Or if you put it in the refrigerator, in the fridge, take it out early so it can be warm. We let it sit because my fridge is real cold. So you just let it sit out for a little second. Yeah, I need to eat the whole bag of chips, neither. So y'all can see I have a lot of chips in there. So, let me get 2 more. Y'all see, you get a whole, y'all see? Y'all look at that bag, look at that bag. Y'all see that bag? I just put like a couple of chips down and I can eat that tomorrow. So. That's gonna be left over. And it's like a whole bowl because I only took a couple of spoons out of it, so it's like a whole bowl. That's hard, but my stomach is full, baby. And the little space I do have, I'm gonna put this rest of this water in. Got a little bit more space, but and that's what. That water go fit there. And this, I'm gonna put all this in here like that. All my tomatoes in here. Ooh, that was so good. And my brother, he had a burrito. So he had a chicken burrito, no sour cream, because he don't like sour cream, y'all. I don't know what's wrong with him. I don't know what's wrong with him, because a burrito ain't a burrito without sour cream. Like, everybody know that. Everybody know that. Boy, he got no sour cream. Light cheese. And I'm like, boy, use extra. Put them little tops on there because I can use that for something. Just a little bit in here. Put that in there. Because I don't want to I'm not ready for. Really full. Y'all know your girl. Wow. If I didn't answer the first time, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Y'all, I love y'all. I miss y'all. Thank y'all for getting me this far. If I don't tell y'all, if I miss your comments, if I didn't like your comments or anything or didn't comment on, thank y'all for getting me this far. I would love y'all. I cherish y'all. I love y'all. I miss y'all. Y'all like family. Oh, some of y'all is like cousins, cause some of y'all be doing crazy. Y'all like half cousins. Some of y'all. Some of y'all is like my sister, my besties, you know, in my head, yo. I can't wait to hang out with them. And some of y'all like distant cousins. Y'all know the one who be leaving them in comments that get blocked. Like I can't even see your comment because it got blocked, but I had to go in my comment ban and your comment not it's blocked. Stop being mean. You know, let's love one another. I love y'all. I miss y'all. Mwah. Okay, y'all want to help me?